Hey, Dad. How's the paddling going? Gotta give him some crap. Oh, there we go. There's a beautiful male. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of G-Man's Fishing Adventures. Today we're out here on this beautiful lake, just fishing the bluegill spawn. Dad's hooked up too, but yeah, just got ourselves a beautiful male. Looks like he's got himself a male too. But I can't see from that far, this far anyways, so, though he's like 20 feet away. Oh my gosh. Dude, I could see the wake of that bluegill coming to chase my lure down. So yeah, yeah, we've just been casting little, oh, there's another one. Oh, feisty one. Feisty fella. Oh, look at that. Beautiful blue bluegill. It's like a blue and gray bluegill. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fish. Like just absolutely beautiful fish for the spawn. But so what we're actually doing today is Dad's using a mini bite and I'm using a hit lure. So just a hit plastic with a hit jig head. So and I'm also using my favorite rod, absolutely amazing Sub-Zero pan size rod. So that's what I'm using. Got about 4 pound test, and we're casting this bank. We're on like a sand flat here, and so we're just casting and slowly retrieving. Sometimes I'll give it a couple jigs, but yeah, it's mainly been hitting it on the slow retrieve. So yeah, just today you have potential to see some giant gills, like some giants. Well, today this is my first trip in my $1,000 kayak, essentially, because we got the kayak that was so much money, and then the trolling motor and the amped outdoors battery. So first time taking this out, but trolling motor, I still got some things to figure out, but oh, so far it's going amazing. Once you get into the double gear where to get it going as fast as it gets, you're just flying. I bet you probably top speed's probably 5 miles an hour, which it's kind of fast. I'm not used to that in a kayak, so it'll be really nice for the lakes when I'm tournament fishing, so I can get around the lake to my dad so we can register it. Or if I'm trying to get across the lake to put it on the stringer. Oh, come on, man. Oh, I got a dang con, I think. Oh no, he was just running with me. It's probably, yeah, it's not that small. Good female. This female is, see, she doesn't look super fat yet, but if you see, look at her stomach, you can still see that she's got some eggs in there. So, she's not super fat, but she's got eggs in there. Ooh. Honestly, kind of wish I brought a little, like, it'd be, see, for all of you fly fishermen, if you guys like, if some of you like fly fishing for other thing than trout, bluegills on spawn, fly fishing, you would have so much success. I mean, it's like the bluegills are popping up on top water all the time. Swiping bugs off the surface, getting minnows, and little creatures that are on their fall, that are falling. Oh my gosh, dude, that was a dandy one. Got my tail, pulled my skirt down. Oh, I mean the plastic is this skirt. We just call it skirt because it covers up the hook. There we go. She gets us to our destination pretty fast. Ooh, that's a beautiful male. Another beautiful little, probably 6-7 inches, inch male bluegill. All right, come on, fishies. Dad's moving along the line, but I'm still hammering them here. There we go. Ooh, feisty one. Feisty one, I tell you. Ooh, yeah. That's a nice one. Probably 7.5, 8. See, I don't have the bump board. That's what Dad has, but I got my estimates. Oh, I got one. Oh, she feels good. Oh my gosh. Beautiful bluegill. Just barely hooked. Oh, see? Right when I said barely hooked. Oh, I got one. I think it's little. No, it's not super little, but nice male. See? Couple of really nice fish coming up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good one. She's a good one. Oh, it's a nice male. Really nice male. Look at how big that male is. That one's probably 8.5, 9 inches.
Oh my God, dude.
What?
There's a dinner plate.
Dad, I got a bit, Dad. I got a really nice male bluegill.
Yeah.
It's probably 8.5 to 9.5 inches.
There, I finally broke 9.
Yeah, this one's probably 9 too. Very nice bluegill. Nice one. I thought it was bigger. That's why I turned the camera back on. But it's still an 8-incher. Good male. Oh, got a real nice bass on.
You got it under control?
Yeah.
I think it's 15. Oh, it might be.
Yeah, that's 15. I think that's 15. Barely got him hooked.
Just talking about catching bass.
But just caught this nice, probably 15, 16-inch bass. Maybe somewhere in there. But, yeah, I mean, it's just like a bass would do. He just goes like this and holds on to it and just feel like you got a lead on till
Let me measure it quick before
set
you
the
release
hook.
it. Because if you get two 15-inch largemouth, that goes on your class 2. $14.5.
Not quite 15. Close enough.
Dip him in the water. Her in the water. Get a picture of me.
All right, going back. Whoosh. Oh, yeah. There's a big boy. Yeah, he's probably 8-some inches, but he's probably 4 inches wide. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Ooh. A gill. Oh, look at how big that that little mama is. Oh, yeah. There's a good gill. He's decent size. Oh my gosh. Dude, look how girthy that is. It's like 4 inches wide. Maybe even more. Dude, come over. I'm gonna have to come over to you. This one might be 9 inches.
That's a smaller perch. 8.5.
What? Dude, it's just so girthy.
Here. Never mind. I was gonna hit
guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode of G-Man's Fishing Ventures. If so, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next fishing adventure. Hey, you want to run it?
No, I'm good. Jerk.
Aw. Oh my gosh, look at that beautiful 9.5-inch bluegill. It finishes my panfish for my quest or whatever. And look at how loaded full of eggs it is. Dude, this baby's gonna produce some beautiful, beautiful babies. He's going back.
See you again, lady.
Yes.
Nice one.
All right.
The spawn is on. Look at all these bluegills.